Principal, Mrs. Zayas, to Mrs. Rancho, our Assistant Principal, administrators, fellow teachers, students, proud parents, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, children. It's wonderful to see all of you too. It is my honor to introduce to you our esteemed speaker for today. Her journey began in 1997 when she graduated her basic education at Libertad Elementary School, continued at VSU INAPS, and later at St. Paul College, Cebu, where she earned her degree in nursing in 2005. Her passion for healthcare led to her to build a distinguished career working as an OPD nurse at St. Anthony Mother and Child Hospital, Cebu City. She became an overseas Filipino worker, or an OFW, at Saudi German Hospital in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, for over a decade. She began as a staff nurse in the delivery room, later becoming a charge nurse in the general ward, and eventually taking on leadership roles as head nurse in both the emergency room and oncology departments. Her professionalism, expertise, and compassionate care made a lasting impact on her colleagues and patients alike. She also earned her license from the Saudi Commission for Health Specialties in 2015, further solidifying her credentials. After years of service abroad, she made the heartfelt decision to step away from her nursing career to focus on her family. Now, she is a devoted wife for her husband and a mother to her two wonderful children, Marty and Kiara. She believes in being present for them, especially during their formative years, as she knows her support and attention help foster their sense of security and strengthen their bond. She is also a highly valued parent to LLCI. The school community is incredibly grateful for her dedication and commitment as one of the go-to parents who consistently supports the school's activities and initiatives. Her involvement makes a positive difference, and the school deeply appreciates her unwavering contributions. In addition to being an amazing mother and supportive parent, she has also ventured into entrepreneurship with her business, Marquez Lechon and Baking, where she continues to share her nurturing spirit through delicious food. Today, she will share her inspiring journey of balancing her role as a mother, a dedicated OFW, and a community-minded individual. We are thrilled to hear from someone who embodies the values of love, dedication, and support in all areas of her life. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our dear parent, our ever-supportive parent, Mrs. Irene Alemia Percada. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, Mrs. Benata, for that wonderful introduction. To our grade school principal, Mrs. Ophelia Zayas, Assistant Principal, Mrs. Agnes Rancho, to our third Board of Trustees, academic coordinators, faculty and staff, my fellow parents, our dear students, a pleasant morning to all of us. I am deeply honored to be invited as a speaker today. At first, I was hesitant and asked myself, why me? I know I would feel nervous, but then I thought, why not? This is a chance to face my fear and grow, and so here I am today. For several years, I was an OFW, working far from home, away from the warm embrace of my family, and most painfully, away from a beloved child. Every day I spent in a foreign land, I carried the weight of longing, missing birthdays, school programs, and simple moments every mother cherishes. But through it all, I held on to one purpose, to give my child a future filled with opportunities and possibilities. To my fellow parents who made sacrifices for their children, whether near or far, this recognition is also for you. Our children's success is a reflection of love, a dedication and values we have installed in them. No effort is being wasted when it is done for our children's future. Continue to encourage your children, support their dreams, and remind them that their worth is not defined by awards alone, but by the love, character, and perseverance they show every day. To our dear students being recognized today, congratulations to all of you. You worked hard, showed up, and did your best. Every late night study session, every effort you put into your schoolwork, and every small step you took has brought you here today. Be proud of yourselves. You deserve this moment. Our dear students, I want you to remember something important. Success is not about being number one or having the highest grades. It is not about medals and certificates. It's about doing best, being kind, and never giving up, even if it gets hard. Mistakes are part of growing up. Challenges are part of learning. Always believe in yourselves, even if it's hard. Keep dreaming big, keep learning, and most of all, keep being a good person. Because more than every medal, what truly matters is the kind of heart you carry. To our dear teachers, thank you for being the guiding light of our children. In times we could not always be present, you have been their mentors and their second parents and their source of wisdom. We are forever grateful for your dedication. As we celebrate this milestone, let us remember that hope is what makes us moving forward, and love is what gives meaning to every sacrifice. To our young achievers, continue to be the beacons of the future. This is the beginning of your journey. May you always strive for excellence and walk with purpose. Remember, in every